This is Irontrader, and this is Midday Trading. Now, Clint in the chat room, he posted that he wanted me to take a look here at the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar, so that is what we are going to do. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, you can see here that the US dollar is only worth 0.62 cents to the New Zealand dollar. Okay, so that's not very good for the US dollar there. But let's take a look at it. Let's just see where this all is going to go. Okay, now you can see here on your weekly chart here that you had a high of 72 cents, and then it came down, and then you have these lower highs. Okay, so this is just like crude oil or any other chart here. You never really want to see that. Okay, but then you had a really nice bottoming here at 0.50, and now we have like a sideways action. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to watch here the same thing we always do. The 21 SMA sitting at 0.619, and then we want to watch that 8 SMA here right underneath that at 0.6198. Okay, so these are very, very close here. These SMAs here, very, very tight. So here on your monthly chart here, your upside is you want to watch the 8-day at 0.62, and then your 21-day here at 0.63, and then we have 0.655 on your 50-day and 0.67 here, and then your retest here of your really nice 200 SMA here sitting at 0.71. Okay, so just always look at this here as the same thing as any other chart, whether it's a dollar, or whatever it is. You always use the SMAs here. They're always good for resistance and support levels. Okay, so we just go from level to level. So if we can get above this 8 SMA, then we go to the 21, to the 50, the 100, and then finally over to the 200, and then you got your big retest up here. Now here on your daily chart here, let's see what we have here. Okay. Well, okay, so you have to look at these key support levels. Now you can see the nice big candle went up there today, but just could not hold it and put a big topping tail in there. Okay, so what do we have here now? Okay, so your upside resistance is going to be this key 200-day sitting at 0.62, your 21-day sitting at 0.622, and then we have your 8-day sitting right at 622. So everything is really, really tight up on your resistance area. Now, your bottom here, you want to look at the 100 SMA, 0.61, and then we've got 0.617 here on your 50-day. Then here's your retest at 0.60 if it comes all the way down here, and then 0.59 here if it happens to get on the bottom. But right now, you just basically have sideways action here, okay? So I don't like this here, you know, when you put a series of higher lows in here. However, when you look at this pattern here, you do have a possible left shoulders ahead, and then we have your right shoulder there, okay? So always be aware of the patterns that you're looking for here, because this is actually a nice pattern. And if you could break above this neckline here, which is basically 0.65, you could rip all the way back up to these levels right here, and then you have a nice retest up here at 0.72 and then 0.74. So always look for patterns here, okay, when you are trading. All right, thanks for watching.